guys, I'm Kuyo from Japan. Today, I enjoy the Japanese breakfast and lunchbox that appear in the Ghibli movie from up on Puppy Hill. Do you know this Ghibli movie from up Puppy Hill? I love this movie. What I'm making now is breakfast that Japanese people often eat. Ham and fried egg, garnished with shredded cabbage. Pour the rice and the miso soup into bowls. Typical Japanese breakfast is completed. Next, make the Japanese lunchbox. Today, I introduce a simple lunchbox that appears in the movie. First, cut the spinach into bite-sized pieces. Next, put oil in a frying pan and fry the spinach. Add a little salt and mix them. Then, add your favorite amount of sesame seed and mix them. Turn off the heat and fried spinach is completed. Next, make the Japanese omelette tamagoyaki. Add 2 eggs to the bowl. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix well. Heat a frying pan and spread the oil. Add 1/3 of egg to the pan and spread it out. Hold the egg 3 to 4 times. Coat the pan with oil again. Add half of the remaining egg to the pan and spread it. Hold the eggs. Coat the pan with oil again. Then add remaining egg and spread it. Hold the egg in the same way as before. Don't cut the finished tamagoyaki right away. Let it rest. Next, make a dried bonito dish, Okaka. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sweet sake and 1 teaspoon of sugar to the frying pan. Mix them while heating. When the seasonings boil, add 10 grams of bonito flakes. Mix them well. When the seasonings suck into the bonito, it's done. Next, grill the cut roll. If you don't have cut roll, substitute sausage. Lightly fry both sides of the cut roll. Cut the cooked meat in half. Next, cut the tamagoyaki. Cut it about 2 cm wide. Finally, put the food in a box. Rice, three parts of fried egg, fried spinach, fried cutlet, Okaka, finally put the Umeboshi on top. The Japanese lunchbox is ready. From Up on Poppy Hill is a movie modeled on Japan about 60 years ago. This lunchbox was eaten by Japanese people 60 years ago. Please try making a traditional Japanese lunchbox. There are many cute and delicious lunchbox in Japan, so someday I will introduce them to you. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and the like button. I'm looking for your comments. See you next week. Bye!